Praveen, Chief Executive Officer, AASRA Group of Hospitals. AASRA Hospital is India's first complete robotic surgical center. Here we have facility to operate every major surgeries with robot assistance. The question to answer is, why robot-assisted surgery? Because of precision. Precision care is our core philosophy. With robot-assisted precision surgery, we are able to operate most difficult surgeries with care. We, AASRA Hospital, as a robotic surgical center, mainly focus on the quality of the patient. AASRA will be a game changer in medical tourism. With the cutting-edge technology, patient becomes alright almost like magic in a day. Post-operative pain is negligible or non-existent, and mobility is given early to the patient. We are well equipped to handle emergencies and would deliver the quality care with our skilled doctors and trained staffs. With robotic assisted precision surgery, we are able to operate most difficult surgeries with ease. We are equipped with OrthoSmart Robotic with Mako, only FDA approved robot, urology and deep pelvic surgeries, gynecology, liver, pancreas and retroperitoneal operations, gallbladder and hernia, cancer surgeries, which is very complicated, colorectal surgeries. And when it comes to the spine, we do endoscopic spine and neuro and cardiac surgeries too. We strive hard to put smile back on the patient's face. AASRA is the center where the experts meet technology to deliver the quality. Think surgery, think AASRA. We are here for you.